I have an Amana NGD7200TW dryer that quit working with a TS code. I replaced the thermistor, but that didn't help. I tested the resistance of the thermostats, they were both near zero. After reading some posts on a few sites, I then decided to replace the timer/control PC board. Unfortunately, I'm still getting the TS code. $200, no improvement. What else could it be?
Hello, my name is XXXXX I am here to assist you. Okay, you say you checked the thermostats. Just wondering, did you check the thermostat right by the thermistor?
I wish I would have just replaced it, probably pretty cheap, but I didn't. I checked the resistance and it was less than 1 ohm, which I assumed meant it was good. Is that the case?
Sorry about the delay, and yes, if it indicates less than 1 ohm then it is good. Now, just humor me but measure the resistance of the thermistor and let me know what you get. Also, you replace the control board on the front of the washer or the one on the left side of the dryer.
The new thermistor is 12K, the one I took out was 35K. I replaced the board on the front.
Okay, that is good. Now have you cleaned out the lint trap and the vent line? If not, you need to clean them out before we continue, as that can also cause the TS error code. I also need you to try and clear the code since you just replaced the thermistor. Typically when you get the TS and make repair you have to clear/reset the machine, so try the step below. 1. Enter to service mode by press chime and temperature keys for 3 seconds or until 3 beeps are heard. 2. Access diagnostic codes by pressing WRINKLE prevent. A D will be displayed. Rotate the cycle selector knob in either direction to read it. 3. Press sensor dry and time keys for 3 seconds to clear it. 4. Power off to exit service mode. 5. Power on.
GRRR. I suspected something like that might be necessary, but I read a post somewhere that specifically said there was no reset needed. Sometimes free advice isn't free. I just hope Sears will take back the control board. Thank you for your guidance. You'll get full marks from me. Plain.
You are so welcome and great job on your part. By the way, they should take it back.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.